I've had several questions about changing the format of the booking page so that you can get the student's name as well. The way that you do that is you'd go from your booking home, you'd go over on the left-hand side down to services. When you select that, you're going to see your service, which is conference time for me. That's how I renamed it. You're going to edit, and then scroll down until you see custom fields, and you're going to modify. It automatically defaults to have your customer email, phone number, address, and notes. However, you can also add custom fields. The way that you do that is you go to add question, add text question, and then you just write in what you want to know there. The ones that I chose, I added student name, and would you prefer to meet in person? Please indicate that here. And then I did continue with the phone number as well, but it is optional. The in-person is also optional. The student name is required. I didn't put any additional information there because it already does ask for their name, and you can't take that off. After you do that, you're going to push OK, and then you're going to select Save. Then you can check it by going back to your home, booking page, and select Open Published Page. You're going to see all of my open bookings, and then where it says add your details, it'll ask for their name, their phone number, their student name, which is required, and then would you prefer to meet in person, and then book. If they don't put their student name, then it will ask them to go back and add that in.